In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox failed to connect to game ID 17, error 279. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in cmd, then right click and run as administrator. So here you want to run this command ipconfig/renew, and then you want to run another command ipconfig/flush DNS. Then lastly, run this third command, ipconfig release. And now after you run these three commands, you can close this down. Now what you're going to do is you want to go here and go to troubleshoot. So if you go to troubleshoot, you'll see various settings here to help you with your network if you're having network issues. However, I suggest you to go here and right click on your settings and make sure you don't have the host turned on. So if you go to proxy, you want to make sure that this is use a proxy server is turned off. So after you do this, you might want to check if the server of the Roblox is actually turned off. So I recommend trying to check by doing is Roblox down. You'll get websites like this, down detector. If they will tell you if if Roblox is having a global outage, so you'll see something like this. So that's how you know there's something happening, and this you'll only have to wait for a few minutes or a few hours and it will be fixed.